Hello, welcome to today's unboxing video. We are unboxing a ukulele that I found through Instagram. This is SanDona ukulele and it's a beginner starter kit. So let's see what it has to offer. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In this channel, we do ukulele unboxings, reviews, and also tutorials for beginners. Whenever we have an unboxing, we always look at the gig bag and the accessories as well, because I remember when I was shopping for ukuleles for my classroom, I couldn't find any really thorough videos that showed everything. Like, I want to know what I'm getting for my money. So let's look at the gig bag. The gig bag, I always welcome a ukulele that comes with a gig bag. This one has very thin padding around the sides, the front, and the back. So this is a gig bag that I would trust to protect my instrument from scratches and maybe just normal weather, but this is not something that you would trust to put on top, anything to put on top of your instrument. We have one adjustable strap on the back and then one side handle. The gig bag I'm not impressed with, but I'm still happy that I get something to put my ukulele in, so we'll say that. In the kit, we have the ukulele strings, so it's nice to have replacement strings. And this isn't specifically for this company, but I do want to say companies usually number the strings like 1, 2, 3, 4. And I would love it if in addition to that, they would have like GCEA on it, because sometimes people think 1 is the string closest to their face when 1 is the string closest to the floor. So just to avoid confusion, it would be great to have that. Okay, this comes with a ukulele manual, and the manual has the parts of the ukulele, how to tune, how to play, and then a few songs for you to play. These are great. Awesome. Nice. When you get your ukulele, if you see something like this, take care of it, because this is a 1-year warranty. That is awesome. I was not expecting that. Okay, we have a strap. Let me check. Okay, so this goes around like the top of the instrument, the head, and then, oh, this looks like it's gonna have strap buttons. Awesome. Okay, I was not expecting that. This review is getting better as we go. We have a clip-on tuner. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna give this ukulele away, by the way. So I'm gonna try and not mess anything up here, because this is going to someone else. Okay, they have a clip-on tuner and it comes with a battery. Most of the time when it's a budget ukulele, they don't include the battery. So SanDona, thank you so much for including the battery. I'm gonna put that back in the box, and it comes with a little instruction manual. You're doing well so far. Okay, that's all of the accessories. Now let's look at what you all came for. I'm gonna take this rubber band off and hide it because my cat likes rubber bands. Okay, here we go. Oh, nice angled headstock, light wood color. Very nice light wood color. Wow. Okay, wait. Oh. So be very careful if you're giving this to a younger child. Get rid of the gel silica. That's good because it's going to protect the instrument while it's being shipped to you. Okay, this comes with Aquila super narrow gut strings, so we like those. Looking at the ukulele, it does have a strap button. I like that. This is the first ukulele that I've ever seen in this color. It's like a peachy, nude, kind of rosy color, so that is unique. I've seen light ukuleles, but not with a pink tone to it, so I think that's really pleasing. We have the headstock kind of angled over here, and then we have our tuners with the black part. These are enclosed geared tuners. I like geared tuners for beginners. They're just really easy to control. The action looks pretty comfortable, but we'll play with the instrument and see how well it does. We have a binding along the side, and this is pretty smooth, I have to say. Sometimes with beginner ukuleles, the fret wires will be a little sharp, so as you glide down, you can feel them. Here I can feel them a little bit, but not to where it would hurt. And the solution that some people have offered in the comments is you can take like a file and just file those down. I like that solution, but at the same time, I don't like when a ukulele needs it. Like if I'm buying an instrument from your brand, from any brand, I want it to be ready to play. I don't want to have to do that. But anyway, that's just a solution I wanted to offer you. The binding goes around and under the bottom side of the fingerboard and back over this side where we have fret markers. I really like it when we have fret markers because that will encourage the player to have good posture because they can see the fret markers from up here. They won't have to turn the instrument. But we also have the fingerboard markers in the front too. We have a rosette here that mimics the one that we have around the entire body. I think that that's nice that it kind of blends together. And then on the back we have a very flat instrument. Yeah, it's very flat. We have the binding here that we saw by the fingerboard that we see in the front. So it's all very cohesive. So all of it looks really good, but in the end what matters most is the sound. So let me tune this up and then we'll play with it. All right, let's see how it does. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a slight buzz. This buzz doesn't sound very serious because it's not there when it's open. Or even when I'm playing like this. You know what? It might be the tuner. Let me take the tuner off. Sometimes that'll cause it to vibrate. No, it's still there. Man, I was really hoping it was the tuner. I will have more information about this ukulele down below. So far, I like all the pieces to it. The wood is a beautiful color. I think it's a very unique finish. It looks like a satin finish, but it's got a glossy, almost like, I don't know, it's like a unicorn, right? It's really beautiful. The logo on top, I mean, it's okay. It's not my favorite, but I don't dislike it either. I like the angled headstock. I like that that's different. It has nice tuners on it. It comes with a keyless strings. And it's really nice to look at. I think this would be like a really unique looking instrument that I would love to take to like a uke jam or anything like that. The only problem is that buzz. And I don't hear it now. It's just when I give a nice big loud strum that it's there. To be fair, if I have a ukulele with a buzz, does that mean that I don't want it? No. A ukulele with a buzz just means that I need to inspect it and find where it's coming from and fix it, or take it to a music shop and have them fix it for me. And this is an easy fix. It's not like it would cost you the price of the ukulele or even half of it. And some stores might even just do the fix for free if it's a really easy, tiny little fix. But it is an inconvenience that there is something to be fixed. However, if this is a beginner ukulele that you're buying and you like the price tag on it and you like the accessories, then I think it would be okay. Just keep in mind, you might have to take it to someone who repairs instruments or to a music shop if yours has a buzz. If you have any questions about this instrument, please comment them down below and I'll try to answer them, or I'll ask the company to look in the comment section and answer them for you. That always helps as well. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you would like to see more unboxings like this, then give this video a thumbs up. Whenever you guys like stuff, I bring more of it. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Sayonara.